Hi, welcome to the Orion Township Public Library Makerspace. The Makerspace is a collaborative place for making, learning, exploring, and sharing various tools and materials. This video covers the basic operating instructions for the Nomad 3 desktop CNC mill, also known as the CNC mill. What is it and what does it do? CNC or computer numerical control machining is a subtractive manufacturing process. It is a highly sophisticated automated engraving machine guided by computer instructions. CNC mills precisely move a rotating cutting tool along multiple axes, usually 3, X, Y, and Z, to cut, drill, and shape materials based on a digital design file. Some examples of things you can create on a desktop CNC mill: signs, toys, games, trays, ornaments, maps, and clocks. Materials. Typically, soft materials like wood, all types, plastic, ABS, acrylic, polycarbonate, Delrin, HDPE, PEEK, PVC. Metals, aluminum, brass, copper. Size. Cutting area: 8 inches, X, by 8 inches, Y, by 3 inches, Z. Spindle. Spindle collet. ER 11 mm max cutter diameter. Spindle RPM, 9,000 to 24,000. Spindle motor, 130 watt brushless DC motor. End mills, 1/8, ball. Cuts a round bottom slot, ideal for relief engraving, but not pockets or profiling. 1/8, square. Cuts a flat bottom slot, great for profiling and pockets but not for relief engraving. Software. Carbide Create is the computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing or CAD/CAM software that helps you create project designs and toolpaths. Carbide Create is installed on the computers in the library's makerspace. Tutorials are available on the Carbide 3D website and YouTube. Carbide Motion is the machine control software. Once a design has been created and toolpaths made, it must be cut on a machine. Carbide Motion executes the milling process. Makerspace staff use this software to complete your project on the Nomad 3 CNC mill. Next steps. Once you have completed your design and toolpaths, email your G-code file to cncprinting@orionlibrary.org. Indicate the type of material you want to use. The library sells 6 inches by 6 inches by 1 inch bamboo composite at the circulation desk for $5. Or if you will provide your own material, staff will communicate with you via email regarding the details. For more information about the Orion Township Public Library Makerspace, please visit www.orionlibrary.org/makerspace. Email makerspace@orionlibrary.org. Call 248-693-3001. Scan the QR code to make an appointment.